So guys, now we are going to see how to perform certain kind of mouse actions. Okay, so first of all we are going to see mouse hover action. Like if you go into our website, you can see there are two options over here, account and more. Okay, so in more we have donation and Android app, but normally the Android app is hidden, right? So you cannot click on Android app directly. You have to move your cursor over more, then you will get these two options, and from there you have to click on this Android app to open the Play Store, right? So this is the first action which we are going to see in this video. Then we are going to see how to perform double click, single click, and drag and drop. Okay, so before that we have to import action. Okay, action chains. So you already imported this thing. Now let me show you that. uh, yeah, so you already imported this from Selenium import WebDriver, right? So now after writing that line, so yeah, where is that? Yep, here you have to write from Selenium dot WebDriver. We have to import the action chains. Okay, that's it. And I'm just copy this link from here uh, and paste it over here so that it can open the driver, and change the link with refiner.com. Perfect. So yeah, let's run this cell and see. So you can see it opened refiner.com successfully, right? So now we are going to perform mouse hover action, but before that actually the screen is so small that we cannot use the menu directly, right? So we have to click on this and then we will get that menu, right? So I'll just increase the screen size a little bit. Yeah, now you can see we can hover over this more option. And yeah, now I think it looks good. So obviously we need to click on more, right? So let's find the XPath of more button. So you can see this is this more option. So I'm just copy this XPath from here and go into our code section. Here I'm going to write driver dot find element by XPath, and I'll just paste that XPath. Yeah, perfect. So after finding the XPath of mode, we have to move our cursor over there, right? So for that, first of all, we have to write some actions because action chains is a class. Okay, so we have to make an object which will perform that certain class. So actions is an object which will perform this action chains class, and inside the parenthesis we have to write the driver. Okay, and then we have to move to that particular element, right? So let's find the the XPath of that particular Android app option. So let's hover over that. Oops, yeah, so let's click on inspect. So you can see this is that link, right? So I'll just copy the XPath over here, copy the XPath. Okay, perfect, and I'll just paste it over here, driver dot find element by XPath, and I'll just paste that link. Yeah, perfect. And I'm going to save it in a variable. More is the variable for that more option, and I'll just write over here app, which will be the variable for the Android app button, right? So now we have to move to that more option, right? So for that we have to just write actions dot move to element, move to element, and in the parenthesis we are going to write more. Okay, that means now the cursor will move to the more option, and then we have to move the cursor to the Android app option, right? So again we are going to write move underscore to underscore element, and in the parenthesis we are going to write app. Okay, that's perfect. Now we are going to click on that Android app to open the Google Play Store, right? So we are going to write dot click, and since we are performing this thing we have to write one more thing which is additional over here, that is dot perform. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Let me just increase the size and let me show you. Yeah, you can see properly that first of all we are going to move over the more element, then we have to move to the app element, and then we are going to click on that. Since we are performing this thing, so we have to write dot perform. Okay, so let me just try to run this cell. Where is the automated browser? Yeah, you can see this is the automated browser, and I'm going to run this particular cell. So you can see, okay, there is a syntax error. By Okay, actually there are two double quotations over here, so we have to make one single quotation. So I'm just making this one a single quotation, as well as this one. Perfect. So let's run this cell. So you can see it first of all went to the more option, then it click on the app button, right? So let me show you again in slow motion so that you can understand it properly, because we cannot add any sleep time over here. So yeah, so I am now running this particular cell. Yeah, so you can see it properly, right? Now we are going to see how to double click on a particular option. Okay,